This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to get glossy shaders on Roblox Mobile without CapCut. First, make sure your Roblox app is fully updated, along with your mobile device's operating system. This ensures you have access to all the latest graphics features and performance improvements. We will focus entirely on in-game and device settings, avoiding any third-party applications like CapCut to achieve that sleek, reflective look you desire. Once inside your chosen Roblox experience, tap the Roblox icon to open the main menu, then navigate to the settings. Find the graphics mode option and make sure to switch it from automatic to manual. This gives you full control. Immediately afterward, move the graphics quality slider all the way to its maximum position, which often displays as 10 or full. This change is crucial for rendering more detailed visuals and reflective surfaces. Beyond Roblox settings, optimizing your device itself is key. Go into your mobile phone's main settings, then navigate to display or screen settings. If your device supports it, try enabling a higher refresh rate, like 120 Hz, for smoother animations. Additionally, before launching Roblox, close all other apps running in the background. This frees up precious system memory and processing power, ensuring Roblox can render those glossy effects without performance bottlenecks. Now it is time to see your hard work in action. Launch a Roblox game known for its detailed environments, perhaps one with water, smooth surfaces, or metallic objects. Pay close attention to how light interacts with different textures. Look for noticeable reflections, increased shininess, and a more polished appearance. Try moving your in-game camera around to view objects from various angles. If the graphics appear sharper and more vibrant, you have successfully applied the glossy effects.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.